What's good, creatives? Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to be sharing tips that make design project look successful using one of the design I received from my group members. So let's start. This is the design I received from one of my group members, and the composition here is dull. Now listen, what mostly make design project look dull is when you don't pay attention to the principles of design. And that's what this designer did not do well here. And when you're working on design projects, the principles of design you must make sure you make available in your project is number one, contrast. This is very, very important. Then number two is the focal point. There should be something that draws the attention of the viewers to look at your project. Then number three is proximity, which is the grouping of your elements. All right. And you do this well when you understand that white space is also part of the element of design you must always make use of in your project. Those are the things I noticed this designer did not make available in this project. There should be something calling the attention of the viewers in your project. Most time we use images to do this. We use images to draw the attention of the viewers to our project. The other thing that you need to make available in your project is what speak to the viewers to know what the project is about. And most time we use titles to do this. We use text to make this happen. And I noticed this designer did not play with this well in this project. Now see guys, your page should look interesting enough to draw the viewer's attention, to look at every information in your project. The lack of not making your page, your design look entertaining is what mostly affects the success of our design. I'm going to show you guys the redesigned version of this artwork. So here is the redesigned version of the artwork, and I received the elements used in this project from the designer. So if you want to watch the redesigned version of this tutorial, simply make use of the link up here. Now I'm going to quickly explain my process here for you guys so you know how to play around with your elements whenever you're working on design project. I mentioned that there should be something that draws the attention of the viewers, and most time is always images that we use to make this happen. So in this project here, I use the image I received from the designer here to draw the attention of the viewers to the project. And guys, images are attention grabbers. Most time designs with pictures of ladies draw the attention of the viewers to the project. Okay, so guys, I'm only kidding. Okay, don't add this to your notes. All right, I'm only playing here. Okay. All right, so yeah, so I decided to make the picture of the character this bold so as to draw the attention of the viewers to the project, and I made the title this big so as to make them know what the project is about. And then we now have the proximity. I mentioned previously that proximity is also part of what you should make available in your project. So proximity simply means the grouping of elements. All right, and you do this well with the use of white space. All right, white space. So the white space I have here helped with the grouping of all the elements in the project. So this information here is the first. All right, the first, and then this is the second. Okay, yeah. So then the other thing that you now need to do whenever you're working on a design project is find ways to spice the project. All right, find ways to make the project look interesting. So what I did in this project to make this project look interesting is the making use of all these elements I have around the character here. And see guys, whenever you're doing this, all right, don't do this because Ceasar mentioned this particular effect and then you now apply it to your project. No, pay attention to the project, pay attention to the visuals. I'm talking of the images you have in the project, and that's what you're going to use to play with other elements that you are putting in the project. So the reason why I did this effect around these ladies because of all these pattern that we have on our outfit here, and the same pattern is what I use on the background here that really separates the character from the background. So the effect I have on the character is what inspire this drama that I put around her. If you want to watch the tutorial on how I achieved this, you can simply make use of this link here. Okay. So yeah, so I decided to use this to spice the project, to, you know, to give life to it and make it look interesting. I'm sure you learned from this tutorial. If you have not subscribed, remember to hit the subscribe button and remember to click the post notification bell so you get notified when I post my tutorials. Now, if you want to watch the redesigned version of the artwork, simply make use of the thumbnail here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.